Shiba Inu Coin is looking amazing today. It's looking amazing throughout the night. It's looking amazing over the last week, over the last month. Well, the entire cryptocurrency market is as well. Guys, I don't know if you've noticed this, but we are in a little bit of a bear market run or a rally during this bear market, and things are looking solid. I mean, wake up this morning. Look at something like Solana. Solana's back at $60+ a coin. Shiba Inu Coin is waiting to burn that next zero. Terra Luna Classic yesterday was soaring 40% in a single day. Cryptocurrency is very strong right now, and I want to talk about its near-term future. Because a lot of people are anticipating Shiba Inu Coin to drop this next zero, run through that 1,000 point per coin mark, and I believe we can accomplish it. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5% right now. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And a huge thank you to anybody and actually everybody that's gone out there so far. I don't know who you all are, but going out to Amazon, searching Claybro merch, and even just letting me know what you think of it, but especially the people who have gone out, bought some t-shirts and other things out there. Really appreciate you guys doing it. Let's jump in. 925 points per coin right now. Shiba Inu Coin is looking strong at the moment. Now, we've got a slight pullback off of about 965 to 970 points per coin. And of course, we can't expect to just rip right through right on the first attempt. Come on now, guys. Let's give Shiba Inu Coin a little bit of a break here. It's going to take some time to rip back up, but the fact that we are testing resistance levels as opposed to testing support levels is a huge sign that we could be ready to break out to the upside. Now, 950, 960 points per coin is where we tested and fell back a little bit. This is in that 1,000 point per coin range. So, of course, I'm going out there, seeing what everybody else thinks. I believe we're going to break it. Okay, barring some sort of news from the SEC that says a Bitcoin ETF is not going to be approved or something like that, some negative news out there, I believe we're going to continue testing the upside, unless, of course, we see a major pullback in Bitcoin. But I came across a decent article talking about and kind of corroborating my views on the technical analysis and technical part of Shiba Inu Coin right now. It says Shiba Inu SHIB's price jumps 15.5%, preparing to remove another zero. I agree with this. Prominent K9 themed cryptocurrency SHIB is pumping to 900 points per coin. Popular meme coin Shiba Inu, the second largest by market capitalization value, has demonstrated staggering growth overnight, coming close to erasing another zero in its price. The SHIB price jumped a whopping 18.32% on Friday, reaching 964 points per coin over the last 24 hours. By now, a slight pullback has occurred, taking the meme coin down to around the 928 point per coin level, with the 24-hour total growth being at 15.48% at these levels. Currently, SHIB needs to add only 7.43% to its value in order to erase another zero in its price and reach that 1,000 point per coin mark, which we know is extremely important, and we will find a lot of resistance in that area. Guys, do not forget that there are 250 trillion Shiba Inu coin that are going to be moving into the money or into positive territory or finally turning green once it reaches, it's a range, right? 800 to 1,400 points per coin, but the average price there is 1,100 points per coin. That's a lot. That's over half, well, roughly half of the Shiba Inu coin that is out there will be turning positive once it breaches that 1,000 and then 1,100 point per coin mark, which could lead to one of two things. Yes, A major pullback is people take profit, or a major rip if they hold, and everybody stays excited that now, instead of being negative or losing money on their Shiba Inu coin, they're positive or making money on their Shiba Inu coin. Now, I don't care too much about these other guys and their analyst numbers and stuff like that, but somebody out there on Twitter is saying that you've got 1,140 points per coin as their next level of resistance. I agree with it, right? Where do we get that number? They don't break it down. They don't say anything. They just make a post, right? So I'm going to try and break that down a little bit. 1,140 is some resistance that was reached during the Shibarium run. Back in August, Shiba Inu coin was ripping higher on the Shibarium expectations and speculation, and it reached around 1,140 points per coin before pulling back and, of course, dropping all the way to 650 that we saw over the last couple of weeks. So, yes, 1,140 could be significant for a variety of reasons. It's the fresh high that we have hit on the Shibarium speculation, and that's right there at that cusp of 250 trillion Shiba Inu coin becoming positive or going into the money. Now, this article, I also agree with it. It says the likely factors that have provoked this massive price surge in Shiba Inu coin's growth are the growth of the leading two cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I agree with that, right? And then it goes on to talk about Bitcoin a little bit, but everybody in the entire crypto industry right now is focused on these ETFs. People are looking at the Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock recently filed for an Ethereum ETF. And knowing this, you guys are starting to get the picture, right? One day, whether it's next year, whether it's 2, 3, 4, 10 years down the road, we are going to see altcoin ETFs and a massive opening of the cryptocurrency space just in general to anybody and everybody who's willing to invest. Even those that are buying ETFs off of the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ will be investing in crypto at some point, of course, if they go through those ETFs. Now, this is going to allow for a massive inflow of money. People are getting very excited, and I will say this, okay? Even if these ETFs are approved, we could see and end up with a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event where we have another pullback before we truly get to the next bull market cycle. So guys, I am extremely excited, and I do believe that Shiba Inu coin very quickly here can break that 1,000 point per coin mark and drop this next zero. What do you guys think about it? Let us know down in the comments below, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and thank you everyone for going out and checking Claybro merch on Amazon. Appreciate all of you guys that have made a purchase, t-shirt, hoodie, and so on. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.